Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salam sejahtera buat kita semua.
Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan.
Tabe salamat, lingunalatai, salam sujud, karinda manantang.
Adil katalino menceramin kasarga, basengat kajubata.
Arus. Industrial development continues to grow up, one of which is the textile industry. This industry is related to increasing production of dye wasted, which predicted to reach 3.4 billion tons by 2050. Meteorite is one of them, where meteorite is a very stable and complex dye that develops to decompose. Therefore, it is necessary to do a method of treating meteorite dye wasted by adsorbent method using silicon dioxide adsorbent material, which is usually from kaolinite clay in central Kalimantan. Well, this method will later support one of the goals of sustainable development, especially at point 6, namely clean water and proper sanitation.
Therefore, we from Palangkaraya University are proud to present a new innovation for the management of kaolinite clay with the innovation title Potential of SiO2 kaolinite clay for Adsorption Waste Meteorite. In this study, our team consisting of 5 people,
And me, Tiara Cesinaga, as team leader.
I am Elfrida Rolina Simanjuntak as member 1, I am Sarina Marito Simarmata as member 2,
I am Ranita Tambunan as member 3.
And I, Raymond Timothy Manuel, as member 4.
The utilization of silicon oxide from kaolinite clay as an adsorbent for the was start from pulverizing the kaolinite clay sample, which is then dissolved using potassium hydroxide with the aim of removing impurities contained in the sample. Furthermore, is taken the deposit of tin and the dry and the mass until a sample is obtained in powder form. The sample will be calcined at temperature of 800 degrees Celsius with holding time variations of 1, 2, and 3 hours.
On the slide showing the adsorption activity test, the testing mechanism of the lab scale is IO2 with a holding time of 2 hours. Use 2 grams as an adsorbent in 50 ml of red methyl as much as 0.5 grams with alcohol solvent. Stirring is done for 2 hours using a magnetic stirrer, which then the sample will be silent for 1 day so that SiO2 settles.
The composition of kaolinite clay was performed using the characterization of XRF, where it was found that the kaolinite clay sample had silicon dioxide as much 38.8% before immersion with potassium hydroxide and 27% after immersion with potassium hydroxide. Furthermore, the shape of the quartz microstructure and successful synthesis of silicon dioxide from kaolinite clay show diffraction patterns at 20.98, 26.78, and 36.64 at the 2 theta that can be seen on the side.
The characterization of kaolinite clay using VSEM in 2 hours holding time sample show the highest peak in the silicon element with a percent weight of 17.76% and 11.75% of atom, and the distribution of silicon was indicated by the green color as seen on the side slide. For the results of characterization using FTIR pointing to the IR spectra of silicon dioxide with a holding time of 1 and 3 hours shows the shift in the peak of the bond between SiO, which is influenced by the length of the sample calcination process. So that it is obtained in the silicon dioxide adsorbent activity test can absorb all substance of metal red color well. This is indicated by the occurrence of a discoloration that was original red without stirring. Then after stirring for 2 hours, the solution is cloudy yellow, and after being silenced for 1 day, the solution turns color white.
Silicon oxide adsorbent material can be used for a long period of time, which is learned from several literature studies that adsorbent material can be reused so that this is classified as an economical waste treatment method.
In addition, the innovation of utilization of kaolinite clay into silicon dioxide material can be produced commercially as a waste adsorbent of color substances. For further development, can research silicon dioxide can be treated with metals that have MP orbitals to improve the stability of adsorbents.
Thus, presentation of silicon dioxide potential innovation from kaolinite clay for adsorption of red metal was. That's all, and thanks for your attention.